All eyes are on the tropics tonight. Over the course of the day, we have seen Imelda strengthen into a tropical storm, and in about an hour, we can expect a new cone. On the right are live looks outside in Daytona Beach tonight and Port Canaveral. Good evening and thanks for joining us here on WESH 2. I'm Luana Munoz. The good news, Imelda is not expected to make landfall anywhere near the U.S., but as it moves past Florida, it will impact the waters off of our coastline. That's why we have team coverage for you tonight with WESH 2's David Jones, checking out conditions out in Cocoa Beach. But first, let's turn now to our first warning weather team of meteorologists Marquise Mita and our chief, Tony Manolfi.
And I tell you what, we were just looking at some of the evening computer models, and the trend continues to be the same, more towards the south and the east. But we don't want you to let your guard down. You're going to be talking about the impacts along the coast, Mark.
Absolutely. I know earlier we had a lot more rain showers across our coastal communities. Right. Yeah. We're pulling back on the rain, but we'll still see those strong tropical storm force winds perhaps, and also the rip current concerns as well.
Yeah, and it's not going to be going away anytime soon. Marquise will have the latest on that. Let's zoom in now. I want to kind of get a little closer in on this cone here for you, make it easier on your eyes at home as you're watching all of this, and you can see closest approach to us is probably going to be Monday night and Tuesday. And when we show you a futurecast, that lines up nicely when the best chance for the gustiest winds and rain will be. Going by as a tropical storm now, not a hurricane, which was what we were thinking earlier. And the models tonight going north-northeast now. Instead of due north, now more towards the north-northeast and up and away. Potentially impacting Bermuda there. So again, the news continues to be very, very good for us. The tropical storm watch is only in play down across South Florida. Offshore waters, we do have tropical storm warnings. That has not been shifted just yet. The storm system now about 175 miles to the east-southeast of Miami. And you can see the heavy rains just to the east of Miami. Here locally now, we have seen some heavy rain over the last couple of hours. We had a flood advisory here just a short time ago, just expired up there in Flagler, northern Volusia County. But there's more rain and wind on the way. With more on that, here's Marquise.
Thank you, Tony. Friendly reminder, I know that tropical storms do produce massive waves, but they also produce dangerous beach and boating conditions. We'll be under a high surf advisory all the way through Friday evening, as a matter of fact, and that stretches across Volusia and Brevard County, as we'll see those high wave heights anywhere between 5 to 8 feet. The breaking waves close to the shoreline right there. Also, across our coastal communities, we're going to see anywhere between 1, maybe even 2 inches of additional rainfall. I know Tony was just mentioning we've had some heavy pockets of rain today, and as we continue across the early portion of your work week, Monday and Tuesday, more showers are on the way as tropical storm Imelda will remain offshore. Now, the waves further out to sea, anywhere between 10 and 15 foot conditions. And of course, that's going to increase your rip current risk. So from today all the way through Wednesday, we'll be watching out for those high rip current concerns, high surf, strong, gusty, damaging winds, and even the rain showers. I'll take a look at the rain and your wind coming up next time I see you.
All right.